slide over into this video, or I'm going
I'll do two. One with y'all, one without.
I make catfish so many times, and once a week my daughter always asks for this, and you won't even be able to tell that it's not fried, okay? No oil necessary. If you struggle with knowing how to fry it, you can make this, I promise you. It's super easy. Let me show you how to do it. We need a binder, so crack those eggs in a bowl, hit it with a splash of hot sauce for that kick, and whisk it up till it's nice and smooth. Now, grab a Ziploc and drop in your dry mix with the cornmeal, the flour, and season it up. Don't be shy with the seasoning. I have my mixing ratios, which you can use, but if you want to go a little bolder, you definitely can. But I think my seasoning is just perfect. Seal that bag tight and give it a nice shake. Next, we're gonna line our cookie sheet with some parchment paper. We're gonna spray it down with some olive oil, or you can use another oil. Just make sure it's a neutral oil. And then let's get this fish ready. Dip your catfish in the wet mix, pop it in the bag, shake it up, and place it on the pan. When you're done, spray the catfish real good with some more of that spray, and I mean real good. And then bake it up at 425 for about 25 to 30 minutes. Sometimes I double dredge depending on how super crispy I want it. Totally up to you. Now, look at that catfish, y'all. It's golden and crunchy perfection, okay?
We done. We over.
All right.
Next. Ready?
Ready.
That's it.
Y'all are so good.
This is my oven fried catfish, y'all, and you won't even be able to tell that I didn't put it in that hot grease.